Welcome back. As we enter 2026, the regulatory landscape for pressure equipment is shifting. I'm your lead inspector, and today we're reviewing the critical safety updates you need to implement now, starting with Europe. In January 2026, the Commission updated the PED harmonized standards list. This includes critical references for tubes, flanges, and valves. Adoption varies by jurisdiction. Why does this matter? You must verify your purchasing specifications against these new official journal references for all 2026 projects. Precision here is non-negotiable for compliance. In the U.S., PHMSA has confirmed effective dates of January 1, 2026, for updated standards such as API RP 2026 and references for API STD 620. The impact is clear. Review your access and egress planning for floating roof tanks. Update your safety controls and procedures to match these new audit requirements immediately. For in-service inspection, we're incorporating hotfixes. This includes API 510 errata 2 from June 2025 and the API 570 addendum 1 released in October 2025. Inspectors must cross-reference internal procedures against these corrections. Ensuring your baseline data is compliant is your first line of defense in 2026. Technology is now mainstream. Remote robotic systems for visual and ultrasonic analysis are increasingly used to reduce personnel exposure and downtime. AI-assisted analysis is improving digital traceability across the board. These tools are becoming standard for high-retention inspection programs worldwide. Here's your field checklist. 1. Update your standards register. 2. Cross-reference your inspection procedures. 3. Refresh your damage mechanism reviews. 4. Verify access controls for tank roofs. 5. Upskill for advanced NDT like POT and TOFD. And 6. Audit your full documentation dossiers. Remember, this is for educational purposes. Follow all applicable codes under qualified supervision. Refer to these January 2026 updates for your specific jurisdiction. Subscribe for deeper breakdowns and templates. Next time, we'll audit a pressure equipment dossier in just 15 minutes. Stay safe out there.